KETOVIAN'S 3 keto diet tips for beginners. If you need a diet that has been battle tested to help you lose weight and become shredded, then you need to consider the ketogenic diet as an option. This hugely effective diet has proven itself time and time again due to amazing fat loss, ease to follow, retention of muscle, and athletic performance. There are athletes all over the world that use the ketogenic diet to stay in peak condition. An example of this is a boxer who lost 140 pounds in 1 year to box in a heavyweight match. Tyson Fury in 2018 had a match and needed to lose a lot of weight fast. He went on the keto diet, eating burgers, bacon, and plenty of good fats. He lost the weight and won the fight. While a boxer's physique can somewhat be extreme, the main thing to take away is that ketogenic diet is highly effective no matter how active or not you currently are. Sticking to the diet will help you lose weight and leave you feeling very energetic. If you're new to the diet, our following tips will give you a better understanding of how it all works. Let's start with, what is the keto diet? One of the biggest mistakes that people often make is thinking that keto diet is the same as the Atkins diet. Yes, they both work due to eating low carbs, but the Atkins diet is based on eating a lot of protein and moderate amount of fats. While the keto diet is the complete opposite, in which you consume a lot of good fats and a small amount of protein. Now remember, the keto diet is all about the good fats. Most of your macros have to come from good fats in order to be successful in the keto diet. Tip number 1, drink lots of water. Drinking lots of water while you're on the keto diet throughout the day will help you stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps you become more focused. Your body will begin to flush itself of toxins, your organs will function at optimal levels, and your metabolism will be on fire. It is recommended that you drink at least 1.5 liters of water before midday, of which the first liter needs to be drunk as you wake up to put your metabolism in gear. Tip number 2, eat plenty of healthy fats. While you can take it easy when eating fat on the keto diet, you need to make sure the majority of the fat you eat comes from healthy fats. You need to avoid trans fats, which are man-made fats, but go for more healthy options such as MCT oil, which is an ingredient in bulletproof coffee. MCT oil is a fantastic fat option due to its molecular structure. Once you consume it, it is converted into ketones, which gives you an instant burst of energy. There are many other sources of MCT, such as organic coconut oil, oily fish, nuts, seeds, avocados, and red meat. Tip number 3, don't consume a lot of protein. You need to keep the consumption of protein minimal, and healthy fats needs to be the majority of your calorie intake. Consuming a lot of protein causes it to be broken down into glucose, which the body will then use instead of burning fat. We have briefly covered some of the tips for success on the keto diet. The rest is up to you. Good luck, Ketovian.